Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. As you all know, today many of the students, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students have been protest against Karnataka State Law University. Entire Karnataka, many of the districts LLB students have been protest against Karnataka State Law University. The main demands are especially Karnataka State Law University 3 and 5 years LLB students, the main demands are KSLU has to start immediately academics for second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. Already first year students academics have been already commenced, and even KSLU also have been notified to conduct the offline classes for first year, especially first semesters. Likewise, even second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, whatever required other semesters also, that academics has to start immediately. This is the main first demand. The next demand is within 3 years, 3 years LLB course has to complete, and within 5 years, 5 years course also has to complete. How they complete, that is up to the university, how they are going to conduct, but within the stipulated of time, that courses has to be complete, so that after completion of their LLB they can go for other kind of what you call maybe higher studies like LLM, or become an advocates, or to join other companies. That is student wish, but within the stipulated of time, what you call 3 years and 5 years LLB. From the within 3 years, 3 years LLB has to complete, and within 5 years, 5 years LLB has to complete. That is the main two demands today protest against the Karnataka State Law University. So in this present scenario, that cases are pending with Honorable High Court of Karnataka. There are 5 cases are still pending with Honorable High Court of Karnataka, and Karnataka State Law University has planned to conduct the examinations. We don't know when they will be notified to conduct the examinations. In this scenario, all our students have been confused about their examinations. This is like all KSLA students like scapegoats here. So in this scenario, my advice is to, so whatever it is going on, please keep it aside. Please be concentrate on your studies, because we don't know when they will be going to notified Karnataka State Law University within 1 or 2 days. We don't know. Might be they're releasing the notification for upcoming LLB examinations. So this is how it is, and we don't know what will be happens. Still, we are confusing about LLB examinations. As I told, there are two main demands which protest against KSLU today. One is to they have to start the academics immediately for second year, third year, fourth year, and fifth year, and as well as the KSLU has to complete within the time bound, like 3 years LLB within 3 years, and 5 years LLB within 5 years. They have to complete course. They have to complete it. This is the main two demands which we found today. So I hope this video has been given clarity about today protest against students protest against Karnataka State Law University. I hope my videos are very useful to your academics and your LLB examinations. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar Keti, LLB coach and motivational speaker, so that you'll notified very good videos for your academics and as well as for your LLB examinations. Thank you.